Hey guys, welcome to the Stylish Squad. It's been quite long since I made a video like this, hence I'm very excited to do the unboxing and review of JBL Tune 130 NC. As soon as I look at the packaging of the product, what caught my attention is this active noise cancellation feature. We'll talk more about this in the video, but let me tell you something. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon. You all might be aware that JBL has a history of 75 years in audio engineering. And it's amazing how they've managed to be top class for so many years and come up with such great products. JBL Tune 130 NC is a mid-range product which you can find on Amazon at the price of 4,999. You can find the link in the description below from where you can buy the product. Firstly, let me talk about the packaging and what's inside the box. As you can see, it's a premium packaging like all of JBL products. JBL never lets you down over there. As soon as you open the product, let me just keep this aside. You can see there's a booklet and there are like so many paperwork over here. You can find the quick start guide, Google Assistant setup guide, Amazon Alexa setup guide, and then you have the safety instruction and warranty card. Let me keep all of this at this side. We'll not focus much on this. I'll just keep this on this side. Next, you can see the ear tips in 3 different sizes, which is small, medium and large. You can find 2 pairs of ear tips over here and one is already attached to the earbud. Next, you also get a Type-C charging cable with the JBL logo on it. Now let's talk about the charging case. As you can see, it's a nice quality plastic. You have the JBL branding over here and on the back hand side is the Type-C charging port. Here you can see the LED lights which shows the battery life. Like I said, the plastic is good and this is magnetic. Now let me show you the earbuds. As you can see, the design is really cool. You have got the JBL branding over here and this also has an LED light. These are really lightweight and designed to fit perfectly in all ear types. In terms of comfort, since these are so lightweight and fit perfectly in your ear, you can use this for long duration without any pain. Just make sure to use the ear tip according to your ear size for better fitment. This has Google Fast Pay feature and it connects very easily with any phone. You can try it with Android, you can try it with iOS, it connects very easily. The Bluetooth version is 5.2 and the range is really good. The earbud has touch capacitive area to control the music you're playing. Single tap to play or pause the music, double tap changes to the next track and triple tap changes to the previous track. The most important and interesting feature of this product is that you get a full-fledged app where you can control your listening experience. This app is the major differentiator compared to other competitors. As soon as the earbud is connected via Bluetooth, you can see it is showing on the JBL Headphones app. Here you have a lot of options where it shows the battery percentage of both left and right earbud. Also shows the battery life of the charging case. You can also see the active noise cancelling option and also the ambient sound control Ambient Aware feature. You can either turn it on or off from here, or you can also tap on the left earbud to activate or deactivate ANC or Ambient Aware features. The ANC feature on this product is really good, and if you're listening to any music and you turn on this feature, it definitely gives you an immersive experience. But what's interesting in this ambient sound control is that you have 2 options, Ambient Aware and Talk-thru. When you're sitting in your house and you're listening to music, you have the earbuds in your ear, it doesn't really matter what is happening around you. But once you step out of your house and you have the earbuds in your ear, it is very important to hear what is happening in your surrounding. This is where if you turn on this Ambient Aware, you'll be able to hear what is happening around you. Next is the Talk-thru feature. If you're having a conversation with a person, you don't have to remove the earbud from your ear and talk to that person to hear him properly. You can just enable this feature and have a normal conversation as if you have nothing in your ear. Next, you also find this customization option to choose among different listening modes. You have normal, audio mode and then the video mode. Also, what you get is an interesting option to make your own equalizer. So you don't have to worry about deep bass, high bass or low bass. Yes, you heard that right. Isn't that interesting that you can make your own equalizer? So you can see here by default it is on jazz. You can see other options over here which is vocal, bass, club, studio. From here you can change to different options. Or you can also customize. Like for example, if you want to customize jazz, you can just click on jazz and then you have this option, click on this, and here you can set your own equalizer, whatever you want to, you can set this up and then you can give a name, whatever name you want to give, you can give that and that will get saved. So next time you play any music, you can just click on this and it will come up in the customized option. Also, you can go to setting and set up the gestures according to what you want. Right now, single tap is pause and play, but you can customize and use it as you want. Isn't that interesting? Because mind you, this is a mid-range product, but you still have so many options. In terms of sound quality, this has 10mm driver featuring JBL Pure Bass sound. So if you're listening to any music or streaming movies on Netflix or even playing games, you will not have any lag. A lot of you might be working from home, and if you're taking a lot of calls and your earphones are not proper, the other person cannot hear you and it's a pain. This is a time where you need to invest in such a product because you want your calls to be very clear, you want your calls to be very crisp, and you want the other person to hear you properly. Hence you have to invest in these earbuds because these earbuds have 4 inbuilt microphones, which means the other person is never complaining, he's happy and you're happy. So if I have to talk to you about the battery backup of this product, as you can see over here, JBL claims 40 hours of battery backup, that it's 10 hours in the earbuds and 30 hours with the case. So which means you can charge the earbuds approximately 3 times. So in my testing, what I've seen is this earbuds worked for me a little more over 8 hours, which is like really great. And then obviously you can recharge with this charging case. So 40 hours, I would say it's more than 35 hours, 36, 37 hours, which is really good. So if I have to sum it up and help you in making a decision if you have to buy this product, I can give you a couple of points. The number 1, this is exclusively available on Amazon at a price point of $4,999. Like I said, this is a mid-range product, but it has so many features, so many options, and the sound quality is fantastic. So you should definitely go ahead, hit the link in the description below and buy this product. Point number 2 is the ANC feature from the house of JBL. Like I said earlier, JBL has been really good in audio engineering, and the ANC in this product is fantastic. Point number 3 is massive battery backup. Like I said earlier, JBL claims it to be 40 hours. In my opinion, anything about 35 hours is really good. And 4th point is the sound quality with 10mm drivers and My JBL Headphones app, where you can personalize your listening experience, is just fantastic. This is what makes this product different from the competitors. That's it in this video. I hope you liked the review, and if you're already using this product, hit the like button and comment below about your experience. And if you're thinking about buying this product, I'm 100% sure this review is definitely going to help you. I hope you liked this video. If you really found this review helpful, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do go down, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Do not forget to share, like, comment. अभी तो at least subscribe कर दो, अभी तो at least share कर दो भाई. Until next time, peace.